Craving a sweet getaway? Welcome to Mahabaleshwar, India's strawberry capital, calls with misty hills and epic views. Just a short hop from major airports, this 5-day adventure is packed with waterfalls, forts, and flavors. Ready to explore? Let's go! And here's a pro tip. Pack some warm clothes. Mahabaleshwar's mornings and evenings can get chilly. Day 1. Arrive at Pune or Mumbai airport, both about 3-4 hours away by car, and drive to Mahabaleshwar. Start your journey by visiting Arthur's Seat, 13 kilometers from the town center, a 25-minute drive. For the Queen of Points. Why? Because the valley below looks like nature's own VIP amphitheater. Entry is free, so stretch your legs on a breezy nature walk. Next, head to Elephant's Head Point, where nature's quirky sculpture with rocks mimicking an elephant trunk. Take a short hike around, or just chill and ponder life's mysteries. Photographers, bring your A-game, because this spot is a stunner. Wrap up 2 kilometers away, a 5-minute drive at Kate's Point, where the Krishna Valley serves up a sunset so gorgeous, you'll think it's flirting with you. No entry fee, just pure panoramic bliss. Perfect for unwinding after dodging monkeys all day. Feeling hungry? Swing by Cream Corner nearby for a spicy buttery pav bhaji. A total mood lifter. Day 1's a wrap. Mahabaleshwar's already stealing your heart, isn't it? Day 2. Just a 30-minute drive from Mahabaleshwar. Panchgani is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Start your day at Tableland, Asia's second longest mountain plateau, where you can take a leisurely trek or simply relax with a scenic picnic while soaking in the breathtaking valley views. No visit to Panchgani is complete without indulging in its most famous delight, fresh strawberries with cream from a local farm. It's the ultimate treat for your taste buds. Next, head to Parsi Point, a spectacular viewpoint overlooking the lush green valleys and the winding Krishna River. Capture stunning panoramic shots or just enjoy the peaceful surroundings. For those craving adventure, paragliding over Panchgani's stunning landscape is an experience like no other. Feel the rush as you glide over rolling hills and endless greenery, an absolute must for thrill seekers. Day 3. So, travelers, are you ready to step back in time? Take a 1-hour drive to Pratapgarh Fort, the legendary site where Shivaji Maharaj outsmarted and defeated Afzal Khan in a battle that shaped history. As you walk through the ancient corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of clashing swords. Okay, maybe that's just your imagination, but the history here is real. At the Bhavani Mata temple, perched at the top of the fort, take a moment to admire the stunning panoramic views of the surrounding hills. Trust me, the climb is totally worth it. Plus, it's a great excuse to skip leg day at the gym. On your way back, it's time to reward yourself. Stop at a local eatery and dive into some classic Maharashtrian street food. Whether it's a spicy vada pav or a fiery misal pav, your taste buds are in for an adventure of their own. Day 4. Time to trade the hustle for some peace. A 45-minute drive takes you to Tapala, often called the mini Kashmir of Maharashtra. And for good reason. With lush green landscapes, misty hills, and the stunning Shiv Sagar Lake, this place is a dream for nature lovers. Hop on a scenic boat ride and glide across the lake, soaking in the calm postcard-perfect surroundings. Want to turn up the adventure? Grab a kayak and paddle your way through the tranquil waters because nothing beats a mini arm workout with a view. If you prefer to keep things slow and soulful, a lakeside nature walk is the perfect way to unwind. Just you, the sound of rippling water, and endless greenery. Pure bliss. Tapala is where you hit pause, breathe deep, and let nature work its magic. No rush, no stress, just a refreshing escape that's all about relaxation and rejuvenation. Day 5. It's your last day, but we're ending on a high note. Just 15 minutes from Mahabaleshwar town, Vena Lake is the perfect place to slow down and soak in the peaceful vibes. Start your morning with a paddle boat ride, gently drifting across the calm waters, or take a leisurely lakeside walk, surrounded by greenery and cool mountain breeze. Either way, it's the perfect way to unwind before heading back to reality. Before you say goodbye, make a pit stop at the local markets to grab some homemade jams, organic honey, and, of course, fresh strawberries to take a piece of Mahabaleshwar home with you. And one last treat, piping hot buttered corn on the cob. Because what's a hill station trip without munching on one of these, right? A perfect end to a refreshing getaway. Until next time, Mahabaleshwar. From scenic viewpoints to historic forts and delicious strawberries, this trip has it all. If this itinerary got you excited, hit like, share and subscribe to TBO Academy for more travel itineraries.